Hello there, my friends. This is how you adjust the volume level on your Blink doorbell. So Amazon Blink makes a video doorbell, and here are the settings in the Blink app. This is on the iPhone. So this one I have designated DB for doorbell. What you want to do is you want to go in here, these three dots, press that. Okay, this pops up here at the bottom, and you want to hit device settings. So device settings, and then go to audio settings, right? Okay, so audio settings, and then right here you have you can adjust the volume of the ding, right? Bing, bong, bong, whatever. And then you can adjust the speaker volume, which means that when you speak over your phone or whatever you're using, this, if you're using an iPad or whatever, to talk to the person via the intercom, this adjusts that. So you can slide this up and down to make it louder or softer. So I hope this helps you. Thank you to the viewer who asked me to make this video. And I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribing helps me a lot. Thanks. Take care.